beauties, and welcome back to my channel. So today this video is mainly showing off these beautiful 25mm lashes, and guys, look how stunning it is. So first I'm just going in with my Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm going in with light hair strokes, and I'm just following the natural shape of my brow. So once I'm done outlining the bottom, I'm just going in, I'm going to do the same thing to the top. I'm going to make sure to follow the natural shape of my brow, and once I have it to my liking and it's all brushed out, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other brow. So next I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Conceal in the shade 20 Light, and this is one of my go-to concealers. I absolutely love the amount of coverage it has. It's just one of my favorites. So I'm using this right underneath my brows to carve it out, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm just gonna follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. So once that's all carved out, I'm just going in with a regular blending brush, and I'm gonna blend this concealer out into my eyes. So guys, I apologize, I don't have a lot of brushes with names or numbers on them, but if you have brushes that look similar, you can use those as well. So now for the face, I'm going in with my Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer, and I'm only using like 3 small dots, and I'm just going to massage this into my whole face. Next I'm going in with my MAC Natural Radiance Primer. I believe this is in the shade Radiant Yellow. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just taking 3 small dots, and I'm gonna massage this into my whole face. So now I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in the shade 315, and I'm using a damp beauty blender to apply this. I'm not using so much foundation because the amount of coverage it has already is enough for me. So I'm taking this and I'm just applying it all on my face, and I'm taking it into my ears and down my neck as well, so everything can be one shade. I'm going back in with that Maybelline Master Conceal, and I'm using this underneath my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and I also applied some underneath where we would contour on our cheeks, just to sharpen things up a little bit. And then I'm grabbing that damp beauty blender to blend everything out. Now going in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I'm using this to contour my cheeks, my nose, my forehead, and my jawline. And then I just went in with a regular contour brush to blend this all out. And when blending, I am blending upwards instead of down. now I'm going in with my Arispun translucent powder in the shade Naturally Neutral, and I'm applying this in the same places where we concealed at, so underneath our eyes, our nose, our forehead, and our chin. I'm now going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. This is the light to medium, and I'm using the darkest shade just to kind of give this contour a little more pop. Once I get finished with that, I'm just dusting off all that extra baking powder that we still had sitting. And then I'm going in with that contour palette again to carve the shape of my nose. So guys, this probably is one of my favorite blushes at the moment. This is the Betty Boop Be Cheeky powder blush in the shade All Dolled Up, and I'm in love with it because when I first applied it, just look how light it is. It's not bright pink, and then it has the nice hint of highlight. Oh my god, do you see these lashes? Like, I'm not even kidding, they're so gorgeous, it's ridiculous. So once I finish popping on those lashes, I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Fix setting spray, and I'm going to use this to set my whole face before going in with my Do Me highlighter in the shade Lit. So I'm applying this highlight on my forehead, my cheeks, the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. So this next part is optional. You don't have to use the same colors as I do, but I just started off with my Revlon Color Stay lip liner in the shade Sienna to outline my lips. Next I'm going in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Copenhagen, and to top that off I'm going to use my Jeffree Star lipstick in the shade Anna Nicole. And I'm going to place this in the middle of my lips and then just take a blending brush to blend both colors together. So once you're done with your lipstick, this look is complete. This video is mainly to see what you guys think of these lashes, so please make sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and share, and stay tuned for my next video.